Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. On today's episode, we've got little Nikki here who's in my lap. Come on, Nikki. No, she's just gonna look out. What are you doing, girl? On today's episode, we're gonna see if we can't get the Mustang to run, and hopefully maybe we can take it around the block. We'd have to get the brakes bled first, so we'll see what we can get done. Hopefully we can get a lot accomplished. Alright, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to pour a little fuel in this thing, see if it starts, and if I'm going to verify that I'm not losing spark on this. Just a double check I'm doing just to make sure. I'm going to turn the key on. Got the spark light right here, so we should be able to see it. Okay, I'm getting spark the whole time, so it's not dying because it's losing spark. I'm going to give it a little bit of gas one more time just to verify, but then that'll be it. I'll say it's the carb. There's definitely still spark. Nope, I'm not losing spark, so that's not the issue. It's got to be in the carburetor. Alright, the carb kit came for this car, so I guess we're going to go ahead and put this in. This is kind of an odd carb, just because it's, built for these cars and for Ford. It's not like a regular old Holly carb that you buy that's just generic. I love it when something just gets wadded up and put in the case. You got to try to figure out how to make it lay flat. Anyway, I guess we'll get going on that. Alright guys, I got into this carb a little bit and I realized there's a lot of stuff missing, a lot of gaskets and O-rings and things along those lines. Somebody must have kind of gone in here and took a bunch of stuff apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this professionally rebuilt so it's done right. As I mentioned earlier, I've never done a Holly, and I just don't want to do this one as my first one just because there's so many issues with it. So we'll get it done. Alright, I'm heading up to Fort Worth to go to Dynamic Industries to get that carburetor rebuilt. It's a pretty nice day out. I mean, it's for December, it's 50 degrees. Not sure if you can see that. But anyway, at least it's sunny, and I always feel more like working when it's a sunny day. Alright, here we are rolling into Dynamic Industries. Alright, go ahead.
You know what? Just open it. Open more.
I cracked them loose and nothing came out.
Alright, now here.
There we go. Alright, tighten them up now?
Yeah.
Alright.
I didn't want to pump them. I wanted a full stroke.
Oh, okay, got it. Alright, I got the master all bled out. I didn't get a ton of air out of it, but I maybe got a little bit. So now the brakes are still real soft, so we're going to have to do all four wheels. I'm going to take a look underneath here, see if it's not too dark. It's pretty dark, but you can see this thing is totally rust free under here. Ah, Jake's grabbing a light. Yeah, you can see there's all these floor pans and everything are super clean under here. There's no issues at all. You see the bottoms of the rear quarters are all great. The wheel openings are all super nice. All the rockers are perfect on here. Alright, I'm going to have Jake jump in here and we're going to go through all the lights and give it a try. The keys are in the console under the emergency brake. Alright, we got headlights. There's low beam. That was high beam. Go ahead and turn the key on and try the blinkers.
It's the square one, right?
Yeah. Alright, left blinker. Right blinker. Awesome. Let's go back and take a look at the back. Alright, the left blinker, right blinker, the tail lights are on right now. Try the brakes. Nothing, we got no brakes, so we're going to have to take a look at that. Alright, I took a look at the brake lights, and actually Ed was the one that fit under there. I was too big to fit underneath the dash. But we determined the brake light switch was bad. Ed took and he crossed those two terminals with a little jumper and the brake lights came on, so we know the brake light switch is no good. So I went ahead and ordered a new one and we'll get that put in. Alright, the new brake switch came in. It looks just like the old one, so we should be in good shape. So I'm going to see if I can get my big wide shoulders through there and get that thing installed. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode. I appreciate it. Hopefully we'll get that carburetor back and that'll solve the issue of the car not starting, and we can maybe take it out for a drive. Alright, I forgot I didn't have the fuel line hooked up. So it was shooting a little gas out.